Here I come.
Alrighty, folks, welcome to the show. And today we are going to do a very fun activity here in the office. We are going to ask stupid questions. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go. If a turtle doesn't have a shell anymore, is it homeless or naked?
Think I would say it will be homeless.
Is there an option C?
But you can make one.
Homeless.
I mean, I would rather call it as an protection.
Why is it called shipping if it's going via truck?
Can I Google?
It can't be called sailing.
If you are cleaning a vacuum cleaner, does that make you a vacuum cleaner?
Absolutely.
Can
It
you
does.
say that?
Yeah, kind of. You can say that.
I'll feel that I'm also cleaning the, vacuum cleaner.
2 hours later.
If you are cleaning a vacuum cleaner,
Does that make you a vacuum cleaner?
yes.
Do you think fish ever get thirsty?
Sorry.